Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how to insert a hyperlink in LibreOffice Writer. Start by selecting the text you want to turn into a link. Then go to the Insert menu and select Hyperlink. The pop-up menu requests the URL of your link. For this video, I choose an image from pexels.com. Right-click the image, then copy image address. Come back to the pop-up menu and paste the URL. Click on OK. Your text is now a link. Remember to hold Ctrl while clicking to test it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.